Guys, let's dive into drawing a hunting cat animation in Procreate today. I have a ready-made illustration, which I will use as a basis. First, on a new layer, we quickly and easily outline the rough. We draw the jump behind the screen edge. And the last frame is the tip of the tail. So, we set frames per second to 6 and watch the first preview. Now we find the frame with the standing cat and duplicate it. On this frame, we move the eyes to the left. And we duplicate the standing cat again, who looks forward. Now we continue adding intermediate frames. We find where the cat raised its rear part before jumping and duplicate it. Here, we move its rear part to the right. And another duplicate where we move the rear part backward. Thus, creating the effect of minor trembling. We watch the preview. Now we go back to the part with the eyes. Add an intermediate frame and outline the contour a little lower than the adjacent ones, and also close our eyes, creating the effect of blinking. Now we duplicate it and move it one frame forward. The blinking effect I redraw as a regular eye. Tail. I take a different color so I can clearly see the differences and draw the bending of the tail from second to 12 and watch the preview. Naturally, it became very fast, so now we add intermediate frames. Add one frame at the very beginning and draw the cat appearing at the edge. Next, another frame with the cat's landing. Now to slow down and smoothness, we add a new frame in moments when the cat stands still. For intermediate frames, we clearly orient ourselves towards neighboring frames, drawing as if between them. I immediately adjust and repaint the tail so that the picture is more coherent in the preview. We watch what happens. Still fast, so we add more intermediate frames for the moment when the cat stands still. And another 2 frames before the cat starts to sit down. Here, the contour of the cat is motionless, only reducing the Our draft is ready. Now we turn on the layer with the illustration to pick up the color with the pipette. I grouped it with the first frame. Now I apply transparency to the contour and the illustration, and on a new layer I outline the basic contour of the cat. White cutouts I draw in this group on a new layer, relying on the draft. To make them visible, I change the background to grey. Now, in a similar way, we need to do the same with all the layers. Let's focus on the yellow contour for now, and we'll draw the white cutouts later. Let's speed up the routine work. On each frame, we outline the contour on a new layer. Let's watch the preview of the contour. It looks good, don't you think? And now let's continue drawing the white contours. Also on each frame, on new eyes and whiskers. I decided not to add a mouth and nose. Where the cat stands, I duplicate these layers and adjust the eyes. Preview. And now let's move on to filling. Just drag the desired color onto the desired layer. I spent an hour and a half on this animation and drew 27 frames. Please let me know if you enjoyed it today. Thank you, and see you in the next animation practice video.